So, this is our room. Oh, it's open. Hi. This is Juicy room tour. A small kitchen here. Small washer. Small fridge. Is the AC on?
Yeah.
It's one room. Ooh, tiny room.
There's two
Let's
stories.
see the balcony. It's looking at the building. Ooh, nice. Look at that smog. Ooh, we're high. We're on the 33rd floor. Ooh, dang, that's scary. Hello, hello again. So we're here in the middle of BGC. This is Landers. And we'll just walk around a little bit. But this is all the restaurants here. What ano to? 8th Avenue or ano? 9th. That's Mega World, Uptown Mall, and we are going to cross. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Hingi naman ng ambulance na yan, no? Huh? The what? Typhoon? Alin? It's a lot of place to eat here. Wow, look at this. That's a little nice corner.
It's like an extension of the restaurant.
Yeah. 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 Oh, there's even a place there. You can have cocktail here. Yeah.
Gising ka na?
Sorry. Picture, video.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move.
Okay, this is what we ordered. Chicken satay, gising-gising, and fried tilapia. What do you think?
And the lumpia sariwa, it's already in the stomach.
Oh yeah, lumpia sariwa. It's pretty good. all this yummy bread. Wow.
One bun patty cookie, one old-fashioned donut.
This is called sunflower. It's nice. Hi. That's my coffee. Got flat white. What's your coffee, babe? What you got?
Brown sugar na lang.
What did you get?
Latte.
Latte. Sa'yo po, ma?
Lola has Americano.
Americano? Ah. Hindi Canadian, ha? Ito yung Kamyas, Jollibee. Oo, dati ano ito eh.
Eh yung sa amin, di ba? Yung Kapag Street.
Pagmahal. Oh, yeah. Ito Uber ko ngayon, si Ray. Saan na yun?
Ayan, jackliner na. Ayan.
Ah, wala.
Station na.
Wala na. Tinanggal na nila. Oo.
Elevated pa rin.
Ah.
Ito, hindi mawala, Meralco.
Meralco, oo.
Babayad tayo, di ba?
Right, yeah. Dati,
Pagkaputulan na.
dati damo yan eh. Dati damo yan eh.
Dito, damo dati ito.
Mm.
Tanda mo yung nandito sa kanto.
Oo.
Yung
Ito,
nagtitinda ng
dito tayo
Yossi.
dito tayo nagtitinda ng Yossi.
Ayan, dyan. Oh. Si Maricar.
Yeah. Wow.
Ayan,
Yeah.
si Maricar. Wala na.
Ito yung area natin nung araw eh.
Magkotse na lang tayo. Ano? Mahalin natin, Karamon. Ha?
Pwede na yun. Ikaw, bahala ka.
Tayo sa kay third mag-park. Okay. Dati.
Itong church andyan pa rin, oh. Yung
Diyan tayo dahil,
United.
di ba, nag-lechong manok?
Yeah.
Isipin mo,
Dito tayo
lechong manok
nagtitinda,
ninyo.
Yeah.
Yan, sikat.
Sige, no, kami yung nauna nun eh, OG. Kami ang OG nun eh.
Talagang sabi
Lechong
ko,
manok.
Di lang natapat sa atin eh.
Hindi lang, oo.
Pero imagine
ito yung
mo.
tindahan din dati eh.
Imagine mo,
Yeah.
dati yung barbershop ni ano.
Yeah.
Yung mga ano.
Aha. Ito na yung K-First.
Okay.
Ito na yung KF. Ay, na, KF. Tapos ito K-First. Ito. Ito yung apartment namin. Yeah, dati wala yan dyan.
Dati ano yung bakante.
Oo,
Diba?
yeah. Dito sila Mitchell. Oh shit, ito yung ano natin, papunta sa...
Ayan, kinakainan natin ito, di ba?
Yeah.
Maganda.
Parang ang sikip, ano?
200 to, ano?
Wala na pala, wala nang
One
mga
way.
jeep dito, bro. Wala nang mga jeep na ano.
One way na lang pala.
Dito kila Ewad nun eh.
Ayan.
Ito yung ano,
187.
gate natin, 187. Yeah, that's our apartment. That's where we grew up. Dati ano lang yan eh. Wala yun dyan eh.
Yung number ng gate.
Yeah, nakuha ko na nga.
Ayan.
Dito kila
Kila
Ewad.
Ewad, yan.
Yeah.
Lawakalia.
Yeah, sila Wakalya.
So,
Ito ba? Yung may tindahan to dati, di ba?
wala na eh.
Wala na rin. Ah, okay. Yeah. Parang ang sikip ano, yung ano niya. Dami yung nakaparty.
Puro ano na, one way na eh.
Yeah. Ah, one way na lang to.
One way na lang.
Oo, dati two ways to eh. Dito yung ano ng mga jeep eh.
Ikutan to na yung chip, di ba?
Yeah, ha?
Pag-traffic.
Tapos, ito na yung itong ano, wait,
Bernardo.
coming back in memory lane. Ito yung basketball court. Ito wala ito lahat dati eh.
Parang covered na.
Covered. Ano?
Wala na.
Ayun na yung basketball court eh. Yun lang. Ano to? Ito yun.
Mataas na.
Sa kanya mo na
Ginawa na talagang gym ano? Talagang covered court na siya. May liga ata, may liga. Kasi din yung city Angel eh, di ba? Yeah. Ito na yung basketball court natin.
Makita mo may sinaksak na kabahay.
Oh, ito kayo. Witness ako nun. Tayo. Yeah. Hindi ng mga uniform sa atin talagang kompleto, no? Tingnan. Kaya kung pwede tayong pumasok. Ito yung swimming pool namin. Dito kami lahat natuto mag-swimming. Hindi ka ba marunong lumakoy? I remember this gig. Swimming pool.
Dati hindi ganito kalaki, di ba?
Yeah. Yeah. Ito yung mga batong inaakitan. Ito yung mga batong inaakitan natin dati. Yung hagdan. Yung mga bato. Tapos dito yung Nepa Q Mart. Ito yung Nepa Q Mart sa kaliwa. Ito yung paakyat papunta sa overpass. Puntang Ramon dito sa kanan. Ha? Itong
Officers ng Batch 84.
yeah. Itong school namin, Ramon Magsaysay. Cubao High. So I know merong
Ito po bang picture lang naman. Dati yung graduate kami, 1981.
ito yung K3rd tapos paakyat dyan puntang K1st ulit. Basketball court over here. Yeah, it looks different.
Kaya natin ito kay Pogi.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside.
Instant reunion. Ooh. Check out all the food.
Pwede naman igarain na, hindi ko alam.
You got it all inside.
Naka-uniform pag sila eh.
Yung aking kapatid, ina-testing ako. Tinatanong para isinig naman kay doon kay Minette, yung pinsan ko, parang nilagay kay Katkat. At yun ang parang advisor ni Katkat ay isang pinsan ko na buo ang ginawa. First ko pa din.
Puna natin tong mga marites dito. Itong mga meeting ng mga marites. Ano yan? Ah, stove? Oh, ganda yan. Pwede panlutuan yan.
Eh, itatry muna kung na-under pa.
Ah,
Alam ko may na-under pang isa dyan.
ito yung mga gamit ni Mom. We're sorting it out. More stuff here. Ooh. Ano kayang amoy yan?
Bakit kami ito?
Yan, nang inihaw na. Ano nga po yung isang yan? Biluan. Biluan. Wow. Mango, tapos bagoong. Ha? Ba. Hakunin ko. Uy. Tapos inihaw din. Wow. This is, tama naman ang aming backyard. Wow. Ambiance. Naka-ambiance pa. May mga supot pa ng mangga. Ano? Good morning! Here goes the Zumba babies. Yeah, yellow coding sila ngayon. Sige na, Tito Poy. Barat na. Itong Cadillac ni Tito Popoy. Ito na yung mga so far na ayos namin kahapon. Okay. Master Chef Tin and Master Chef Marie Chris. Tuyo. Hey, Pinks.
Saan po yung hospital? Tanong natin.
Wala. Mawawala kami.
Dito kung gumakanina.
They got her Ferraro fix. Thank you po. Yan sila March. Kamyas challenge.
Really sour, huh?
You need salt.
Oh! Oh my god. Oh. Did you eat yours?
Not yet. I'm not gonna eat it.
Thanks a lot.
Good morning. Day 3. And the Zumba ladies are wearing white today. day. Gatasan day today. Wow. Walking around Catanawan town. Early in the morning, getting the pandesal. Saan dito? The Oraro. Oraro cookies.
Willing po. Diyan po si Tita Daisy. Nagsimba po, anak. Thank you.
Sige po. Dito lang walking distance din natin kaya Marjorie. Wala pang patao-tao. Aga pa eh.
Sa bahay tuloy ko eh.
Oo, pagod kahapon yun. Sa init na. Daming ibang bread. Yung luto ni nanay, ang sarap.
Yung siwal ko. Next time po. Here po.
Uh-huh.
Kaya inano niya yan, para ganyan. Hindi, malutong pa yan, Mano, bagay mainit pa. Hindi, maganda talaga mag-reach sa Mario, maski ano na, malutong pa rin. I-send mo na kay Tita Emma mo. Tita Emma, pa.
Sinintensya na siya.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move.
Binigyan lang sa kanya, tapos binigyan.
Talaga. Yan ang hot pink table ni Tito Cecil. Tito Gigi. This is our view here. Sarap ng hangin. Gatasan 2024.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove.
Look at all this food. Sweet and sour, chicken curry. Wow. Oh, it's like chicken curry. Kambing. Amen. Cha cha cha. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha.
Sana hindi ka ako malaki.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move.
Ang Holland Hopia.
No sugar? Mommy. Which one you like?
First hotel is where Tita Emma and Tita Chago had their wedding reception.
That one? Wow. Nice.
You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove.
Ang bilang ngayon sa'yo, mas maraming green. Itong isa kay Will, ito kay Jeremy.
I'm kind of ready already.
I know. Nag-aalala lang ako yun. Si Jeremy, ayan.
Ayan. Thank you. This is two. I got that now
Do you?
for good luck.
Do you?
Yes, I am.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel
We're having dinner with Tita G sa Miyazaki. Miyazaki. Look at this place. It's nice. Ay!
Hindi ako napansin.
Puro kasi ate ganyan na pa yung shirt na hindi tama ang anak.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me
Bibili na lang siya. Ayan yung dalawa.
So, pwede siya lumipad-lipad pero balik pa rin siya ng balik.
Wala ako dito, hinahanap niya ako. Nabuli niya ako sa pumunta.
Galing ano?
Tapos ako sa maligo, nililigo siya.
Ah.
Tapos ako sa kumakanta yan, nakakaintindi si Mimi. May nakanta kami. Isa lang. Kaya kaliligo lang kaya.
feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move.
We're in Hilton. Mga whiskey bar.
You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in the groove. You make me move. You make me move. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance.
This is the Japanese section. Japanese fried rice, okonomiyaki, yakisoba. Wow, and they have all kind of sushi, spicy tuna roll, California maki. Nice. Assorted maki. Alright, and these are the pancakes. All kind of stuff, all kind of sauces, all kind of drinks. Wow, too much choices. I don't know where to start. Ito naman yung mga western. Of course, omelette, eggs, bangers, potatoes, bossing. Bacon, hash brown. Yeah, okay, boring stuff. Wow, urban green, like at the old plants. Indian food. Sambar, aloo bhaji, Bada, naan bread, Rashman masala, biryani, chicken curry, fish masala. And this is the Asian. Hindi ko alam. Steamed fish fillet, garlic, onion, glory, Chinese chicken. Ooh, stir-fried noodle. Galbi Jim. The Jambuki, Malaysian squid balls. Hi, good morning. All right, let's see what breakfast they have. Taho. Wow. The dulce de leche bread. Spanish bread. They have puto, cassava cake, piche, pandesal, ensamada, beef pares. And then steamed okra and talong. Ginataang kalabasa. Wow. Beef tapa. Hot dog. Chicken tocino. Daing na bangus. Wow! Dito, tingnan natin. May silang steam rice, tuyo, espada, tuyo, dilis. This is garlic fried rice. Wow!